Hello friends, welcome to my channel Kamakshi Foods. It's my first vlog on food recipes. So please like and subscribe my channel. Today I will prepare a medicinal tea or herbal tea which gives relief from throat soreness, running nose, sneezing, cold and many more, and also gives immunity to fight with COVID-19 as you know. It also helps in reducing belly fat. So let's start. These all are the ingredients for making our herbal tea or medicinal tea. Tulsi, ginger, sugar, lemon and black pepper. First we will light up the gas. And put a bowl on it. And add some water as required. And give it some 5 minutes to boil. My friends, now you can see the water is boiling. Now it is time to add our ingredients. First we will take some tulsi leaves and add it in our water. And we will give some time for 1 minute to boil the tulsi leaves in the water, through which it can release the medicinal values in the water, through which our water can becomes a herbal. Tulsi has a medicinal values in it. It is also good for heart and many things in our body. It reduces pain in our throat. It gives a relief to our throat from cough or dry cough. We can see that our water is boiling and the tulsi in the bottle is also releasing its values. So now we will put some ginger in it. You can see the water is changing its color slightly. Through this we can know that we can add some ginger in it and we give it a some. Now we will add black pepper as required according to your taste. And sugar. And leave it for 3 minutes to boil. We know due to this pandemic situation, current situation, COVID-19 which is doing destruction overall of the world. So this herbal tea is a type of, we can't say it protects us from COVID-19 or any virus, but it increases our immunity, through which we can in future we cannot get these type of viruses very easily, and it is also good for our health. We can see the color is changing. So now it's time to add the tea powder. So we are now adding the tea powder. Guys, you can see I am adding little, not too much, little tea powder, because it gives a very pungent, hard smell and hard taste. So because that's why I'm adding this one at the last, because if you add it at the first, during the starting of the boiling of water, then it becomes very dark and it releases its true flavor, and the taste also becomes little bitter in taste. So I am putting it, adding it in the last, so it gives little flavor and it tastes very good. So see, let's see. We will leave it for 1 minute to boil and we will increase the flame. You can see the bubbles are bursting, and we will give little whisk. Now our herbal tea is completed and it's time to serve. Our tea has been served and it's time to add little amount of or few drops of lemon in it. So I am squeezing little lemon in it. So it gives a very nice taste to it, and it is also good. Lemon is also good, and research also says that lemon is also good for reducing fat. Now it's enjoy time. Thank you friends, and if there is an error or any mistake, please forgive me, and if you like it, then please like this video and subscribe and comment it. Thank you friends. Goodbye.